أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل والله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم. Respected President, honorable guests, dear audience and friends, we are Alhamdulillah Muslims. Every Muslim knows that Allah is one. Allah is Almighty. Allah is omnipotent. Allah is omnipresent. Allah is omniscient. He created the human beings. He created the sun, the moon, the sky, the trees, the stars, in short, He created all the universe. Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest of all. He is worthy enough to be worshipped. He is worthy enough to have. He Himself provides provision to all. Allah has said in His final book, وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ رِزْقُهَا. Every creature gets provision from Him. Allah has no partner. Allah has no children. Allah has no wife. Allah has no relation to anyone. Dear friends, oneness of the Godhead is the fundamental principle of all heavenly religions and especially of the religion of Islam. Divine Prophet called people to believe in oneness of God and monotheism and prohibited them from polytheism and duality. And in the first details announced, said, there is no God except Allah, and be successful. Laws and beliefs of Islam are based on the oneness of the Godhead. The Holy Quran has accorded a special position to monotheism. Through numerous verses in such a way that it can be said to be a book of monotheism that opposes polytheism. The Holy Quran considers polytheism to be the only sin which is unforgivable under every circumstance. And He says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَغْفِرُ أَن يُشْرَكَ بِهِ وَيَغْفِرُ مَا دُونَ ذَلِكَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ. Dear friends, Allah is only one. He begets not, nor is He begotten. Allah has said in the Holy Quran, لَمْ يَلِدْ وَلَمْ يُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. So, we should worship Allah. We should give fast in the month of Ramadan. We should give zakat. We should go for Hajj to Makkah and Medina. Brothers, here I end my speech saying that Allah is one.